Any kind of sauce?
What are my choices?
Ranch. Totally stupid.
You got some ranch? Ranch will probably do it.
That's if you zoom in. If you zoom out, it's not.
You can still
It's
see.
Okay, put it
He
in
feels
Photoshop.
sympathy for the
Here,
Uber driver.
Put it in Photoshop and it'll be fine. AI
Can
Photoshop
you
will
open
cover
that,
that up.
Suzanne? Can you open that and figure it out?
Can we get to the hotel and figure it out, or do you really need
No.
the food? Thank you. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
Alright, Joey? Yes.
Joey, is your food in there?
Do you want to fry?
Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna thank you. Are you ready? Hang on, let me get a picture. Oh god, that's nice.
But then, no, it's not. Because then look, right there.
Oh my god, panties. I see your panties. That's fucking great.
What the fuck?
That's fucking
What
awesome.
the fuck?
Roll with it, child. James here is rolling with it.
He's doing a hell of a lot better than I am.
I know.
Oh my God.
Learn something.
Sorry, I
Here, you
can't.
want to fry? Here, you fry. Christian, you want to fry?
Yeah.
I don't have anything fatty here right now.
Chapel is, you know, I kind of want to come back to Vegas and like make Jason like remarry me in a chapel.
Thank you.
You want that?
Shit.
That's fun.
Wouldn't that be fun?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Fuck you.
It's not up to you.
Yes, it
The
is.
question was
Shut
for
up.
everyone but you.
You are not drunk enough to participate in this conversation.
How do you think you got here?
Man.
A doctor
Yeah.
and Jason in a cup.
Even so and still.
Marcus was the one who decided, hey, I'm gonna pop up. That's why.
Marcus was a surprise.
That's also why he has to go with the flow kind of attitude.
That's
I'm pretty
because
sure.
he's
Seriously,
the crack
do you know what
baby.
kind of good stories James is going to have for his
Marcus
podcast?
is the crack baby. Your
No, he was
parents
not a
did
crack
drugs.
baby.
That's how they get pregnant. He's
No,
the
actually, I
crack
did drugs
baby.
with her.
What?
It was a shot in the ass.
Chrissy's like, what?
I had vaginal ultrasounds for 2 years
Thank you.
just to see if I was ready to have the baby. And then Jason got to use a cup, and then we went in, and it was just like, squirt.
Please tell me there's a tent
I think
planted
proper-
nearby. Please tell me
proper
there's a tent
terminology
nearby.
is skirt, skirt.
Hey, I'm giving James good
Hey,
material
world's
for his
largest
shit.
gift
I'm glad you're
shop.
giving him good stuff, but I need it. Is there a 10 planet nearby? Is there a
They
dojo
don't want you
nearby?
to steal their shit. They have
Look
bars
to
on the
your,
windows.
look to your right. World's biggest gift shop.
Look at the bars on the windows. They don't want you to steal their shit.
Nope.
James, tell them this is the side of the strip that you kind of like want to be careful on. Like all of the strip you want to be careful on, but this is the one that's like, don't be in an Uber.